What if the most powerful action camera you ever owned was smaller than your car keys and strong enough to film cinema-quality video underwater? DJI just made that real. Like, share and subscribe so you never miss the gadgets that will shape the future. Meet the Osmo Nano, DJI's tiniest, boldest, and possibly most exciting action camera yet. The main body weighs just 52 grams, lighter than a chocolate bar. But here's the twist. It is part of a two-piece design. You get the mini camera for recording and a detachable dock that adds a bright OLED touchscreen, extra battery, and expandable storage. Together, they are still lighter than your average smartphone. Now, here's the fun part. The camera itself is waterproof up to 10 meters. Imagine clipping it on your hat and diving straight into the pool. No extra case required. The dock, on the other hand, is not made for underwater use. But that's the point. It stays on land, giving you a power hub and control screen while the tiny module goes wherever you dare. Inside, DJI packed in a huge 1/1.3-inch sensor. Bigger sensor means better video, even at night. You get 4K at 60 frames per second, and for slow-motion lovers, 120 frames per second. Add in 10-bit video and D-Log-M, and you are looking at creator-level footage in a camera the size of a matchbox. Photos? A massive 35 megapixels with a super-wide 143-degree view. Picture this. One tiny camera capturing an entire mountain range, or a skate park from edge to edge. And no matter how wild things get, Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon balancing keep your footage silky smooth, even if you are sprinting or skating. Battery life is smarter than you think. On its own, the camera runs for about 90 minutes. Clip it onto the dock, and suddenly you get over 200 minutes. That's more than 3 full-length movies on a single charge. And when it is time to recharge, you are back to 80% in just 20 minutes, faster than most flagship phones. And then, the part that makes this camera truly futuristic: accessories. DJI wants the Nano to go literally anywhere with you. A magnetic hat clip, chest strap, lanyard, even a car mount. You could wear it on your head, clip it to your backpack, or stick it on your dashboard. Wherever your adventure goes, this thing follows. And here comes the surprise: price and availability. The Osmo Nano starts at €279 for the 64GB version, or €309 for 128GB. Both include the dock and essential accessories. But here's the kicker. It is launching in Europe first, and the US has to wait. The question is, why hold back one of their most exciting cameras from the biggest market? So here's what I want to know. Could something this tiny, this powerful, actually replace a GoPro or even your smartphone for travel videos? Because if DJI pulls this off, we might be looking at the future of wearable cameras.